Sir na what pa? Have you talked to him or nakipag-chat
Actually,
sa'yo?
ito ang secret. Nagre-repost siya ng mga story. So, nagpa-thank you ako. Sabi ko, thank you, Mr. Nawat. Nagulat ako pagising ko, naka-heart yung thank you, Mr. Nawat. So, para may konting, uy, kilig.
Papanawat gusto niya.
Yeah,
Saka
Papa
nag-share ng mga...
Si Papa Nawat. Parang kasi gusto ko muna ma-meet siya. Baka akala niya, we need to be formal first. So, yun. We know naman na it's Papa Nawat. Pero para lang sa business side, so I message him na, thank you, Mr. Nawat. So, hinort niya yun.
Baka namin sa
Kilig.
arrival dinner.
Yeah, sa arrival din.
Ay,
O may
Pero I think,
supportahan natin.
Yes,
oo,
may
we need
Can
your
also
support. Para naman, I think that's top 10, no?
Yeah,
Top 10 for the dinner with Mr. Nawat. So, I need your support, guys. It's a voting system, so I hope that I can rely on you Filipino fans. Magkaisa po tayo with this one because with that dinner, we can show kung ano pang meron ang Pilipinas.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Emma.
you.
Emma, anong napag-usapan niyo ni CJ? You mentioned you had a
Konting chikan. Ang sinabi lang niya sa akin naman, ate, kailangan laging pasabog, ganyan. Parang wala kang pipiliin na activities na yung know when to pick, walang ganon sa Miss Grand. Lahat talaga dapat nagpipik ka and you need to be friendly. Parang yun talaga yung hinahanap, which is true, the another B that they add, diba? Behavior. So yun din talaga yung hinahanap nila. So yun lang naman yung napag-usapan namin ni CJ. Actually, mag-schedule pa kami for a date because I really want, and I'm really praying for this. Kaya ginagawan ko talaga ng paraan. Kaya thankful din ako sa mga advice din ng mga tao na gusto rin nilang makuha yung back-to-back.
Emma, you're also Rao Uson model. Are you wearing Rao? And
Let's see. Let's see because later we'll be having a meeting for the outfits that I will wear for the international competition. So kailangan talaga, it's a teamwork. Brainstorming ang kailangan. So
How about for your national costume? Emma? Same pa din ba?
yeah, it's gonna be the same for the national costume. It's still Patrick. Pero medyo nahirapan kami kasi yung napakita namin for national, parang binonggahan ni Patrick eh. Pero sabi nga nila, di ba, parang everyday dapat laging better version yung pinapakita. Para, di ba, another day, another better version na naman yun. So I'm excited. This is a different one. This is a different
Pagbaba mo
national
pa lang ng bus,
costume.
dapat rumarampa ka. Nang ginawa ni CJ yun.
Yes,
Pagbaba
actually,
ng bus every time.
yung mga ganon, tinuturo din talaga ni CJ.
ilan sa mga team ang dilipad with you? And
Ilan?
I don't know yet. Kasi we're planning pa. We're on the planning side pa.
are you allowed to bring your own?
That I don't know. Parang not sure if papayagan. Kasi di ba every year, iba-iba sila ng rules and regulations. So, let's see. Pero ngayon naman, nagte-training naman ako with my hair and makeup. So,
Speaking of training, si Mama G nandiyan kanina. So siya pa mang pasarela trainer mo.
yes na yes.
So may kakaibang hinahanda kayo kasi yung mga
May ibang niluluto. Oo. Kaya ang lagi ko sinasabi, it's a different version of Emma that you will see on the international stage. Matining training. Sakit sa balakang, ha?
Oo. Pero sabi mo, kaya mo pa namang ihampas,
Kaya
di
ko
ba?
naman yan.
How does it feel like competing, na sabi mo sa Net25 interview mo, ang dami-dami mong bala? Di ba sabi mo, ang sarap mag-compete na ang daming mong
Siguro,
bala? So marami ka pa talagang balang hindi
pa
pinapakita. Oo.
Marami pa. Kasi siguro yung maraming bala na sinasabi ko, it comes from the people also na nakasurround sa akin. Kasi sila din naman yung source ko kung bakit ako nagkakaroon ng ganong strength, di ba? So, marami pa tayong balang ilalabas.
Excited kami. So,
Bazooka naman this time.
Bazooka! Ay!
Para mas
Another!
malaki yan. Another video. Bakit ang bale, bazooka.
Alright, Anna. Alright, Anna, thank you. You can ask or acknowledge the persons behind your MGI page joining.
Okay, I just want to thank all the people who supported me, naniwala sa akin. Thank you very much. It's really a grand comeback for me and I'm happy. I am really fulfilled with this one and we have another one to fulfill. It's the back-to-back victory for the Philippines. So I am hoping that you will all pray for me. And thank you to the Crown and Concept family, my new family, Mommy G, Vico, my stylist, a lot of names to mention, and also my family and friends. My boyfriend was really supportive, and everyone. I don't wanna name names na I thank them all na sa aking social media, and alam naman nila kung sino talaga yung mga tumulong. Of course, the media people, thank you so much. Dati kasama nyo lang ako dyan sa group na yan. But here we are right now trying our best to compete again and aim for another crown.
From grand comeback to grand back to back.
I love it! I love
From grand
it!
comeback to grand back to back.
I love
Thank
it.
you,
I love
Emma.
it.
Congratulations.
Thank
Ngayon naman ang tatanungin ko. Ako naman mag-i-interview sa
Sige, sakay lang. Nakaready na ako na.
Emma, ano sabi ng boyfriend? Or is he going to Thailand?
Yes. I think with his family also.
How long have you been together?
8 years.
8 years.
8 years together. Yeah. Actually, dun sa coffee shop ko that I own, magkasama din kami dun. We're partners together with other friends.
So all throughout the competition,
Yeah,
nandun
he's
siya?
really supportive.
Nasa Thailand siya? Or?
I think few days before the coronation, but not the whole duration of the pageant.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.